All right. And then Conrad's asking, how many orgs can a person set up? I don't think there's a limit. And so the free developer accounts, I've probably over the span of the past 8 years signed up for over 100 of them between all the courses I've created and live sessions and just for my own learning. So I don't think there's a limit. And then as well for nonprofit things, I don't think there's a limit. They have to be legitimate use cases and legitimate nonprofits. And typically though, like if you're volunteering for a nonprofit that you don't have control of, you would be working with that nonprofit, telling them where to submit their paperwork and helping them to dot the I's and cross the T's. I had to think there for a second, so that the paperwork's done correctly, but they would own the org. It wouldn't be you that's the owner of the org, and you would set it up, get it implemented. And then maybe you can negotiate some sort of retainer or to have 5 or 10 hours a month of maintenance work for some sort of fee if they can afford it in order to continue to help out or whatever.